What's up, guys? All right, boom. Let's get into it. All right, so we're gonna put this thing on my little eyelids, because we gotta look good. I guess it's like a primer type beat. I don't know nothing about makeup, but we're gonna learn today. We're gonna learn today. But yeah, we're applying, period, trying to look cute for myself. Now we're gonna put some, what is that? I think that's baking powder. We're setting powder. Yeah, we're trying to set that. Yes. Get it, Pooh. Get it. Pat, 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 pat. Then we got what? What was you just doing? What were you just putting on? What were you just putting on? What? All right, this is a setting powder, I guess. All right, my bad. We putting this on. This is a lot of work. I'm yawning because this is a lot of work. I can't do that. I'm lazy. All right, we're gonna pat. We're gonna keep patting, guys. Pat. Look up and pat. You want to get it in every space. I guess every crack, crevices, all that. Then we're gonna brush it off. Now we're going in with some lotion or primer. Gotta prime this dry face because we don't want to put foundation on this dry face. All right. A little goes a long way. I have to remember that. Boom. Here we go. Applying it. Look at that. Don't you see the girl? You did it for like 2 seconds. Anyways, we back to the eyelids, applying some color, giving it that glow, that pop. Period. All right, back to the eyelids again. We're trying to get all this color to show. Yes, girl. Make sure you do what you did to one eye to the other eye. Spray the brush because I guess that's how it allows the colors to pop or show more. I might be right. I might be wrong. I don't do makeup, but I sure am watching my best friend do it. Haha. Boom. Back on the eyelids like for the third time. Here we go. Applying the color or the crease. Oh, I don't know. Guys, help me. Help me. Best friend. All right, now we still on eyelids, guys. We made it that far. We did the primer and then we did the eyelids. That's as far as we got so far. Continue to do the eyelids. Okay, pat, pat, pat. Whew. This is why y'all girls be taking forever because y'all want to do all this extra makeup. I ain't got time for that. No. Yeah. Okay. And now we're putting on the something. I don't know if it's foundation. I think it's foundation, but I'm gonna assume it's foundation. Yes. You just draw lines all over your face, girl. Hide the mustache. Yes, girl. Now we're gonna dab that in too. Don't y'all get tired from doing this? Don't y'all get tired? This is a lot of work. Y'all some messed. Wow, I can't even speak. Jesus Christ. Y'all just trying to create a masterpiece. I see, that's why. All right. Because I'd have been tired. I would have been giving up from the minute I had to do my eyelashes. My eyebrows. My eyelid. Jesus Christ. I don't even know what she did. That's how. Whew. Okay. Dang, you just did that so quick, girl. Period. All down. Hey, make sure we touch your neck too, because we don't want your face to be done, but your neck a different color. No. Yes. So, how much foundations you gonna use? Oh. Is that supposed to help snatch the jawline? Yes, girl. Snatch it. I guess. Because at this point, I don't even know what's going on. I just know it's makeup. And it goes on the face. And that's bronzer. Ooh. Yes, I know that. Bronze. Is it bronzer or bronzer? I don't know what's the name. I just know it's makeup, guys. Yes, because you're trying to sculpt that, make that forehead smaller. Because, we got a 5 head, but, ain't nobody business. Yes, girl, get that nose contour. Get it. Yes. Chisel that jawline. I was about to say chin. Clearly, I don't know what my chin and my jawline is. That's really crazy. Yes, make that. Period. Y'all. I'm watching this and I see how much work y'all be putting in to do this, and I am lazy. I would not do this. Just a nice wash my face and I'm going to go through the door. All right, now we're going to sculpt the nose. Yes. Cause we are, we was told we got a big nose, but we want to make it a little smaller. It's fine. Nobody got no problem. We're gonna do that. You see that, guys? You see the illusion is smaller. Boom. For all you people who talking about some, oh, you got a big nose. Boom, makeup smaller. Now we're doing some concealer. Draw some lines. Yeah, it's a lot of lines. Boom, 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 boom. Lines, and then we do some on the nose to make the nose a little smaller too. Dab that in with your little fingers. Hopefully her finger clean, because I don't think she want to get any bumps. Yes, dab. Anyways, now do under the eyes. Yes, hunty. And that's some, I was going to say soap and powder. Jesus Christ. What you call that thing again? Baking powder, setting powder. Gotta bake the face or bake under the eyes. Yes, honey. This is time consuming. How long you took to make this video? Oh, But it's cute though, girl. It's cute. Don't let nobody tell you different. It's cute. It's gonna come out cute. I know that. All right, boom, the lips. The lips. Oh no, I thought I was doing the lips. Oh, we doing highlight. Yes. We trying to shine bright like a diamond. That's on the gang. That's on the gang. That's on the gang, girl. We trying to distract these niggas. Like, you see me. I'm coming up. The other side, yes. Trying to distract all of them. Boom. Under the eyebrows, too. Yes. I don't know what's the purpose of that, but it's kind of cute. All right, boom. Here we go to the eyelashes. Yeah, pay attention now, guys. Boom. You don't want to be doing all these movements. Oh, see what I talk about? In your eye. Look at you. Trying to be cute. Put it back. Thank you. Put it back. And you go again? Yeah, you learned your lesson. Okay, pay attention this time. Stop trying to be cute. Okay, now to the lashes. Then lip gloss? We didn't even do that. Okay. A lot. Too much. But it's cute. I like the color. And that's the glue for the lashes. I know that for a fact. All right, we're going to drag that on. This is her way of putting it on, guys, so don't judge her. She does it amazing. She does an amazing job doing this part. Okay, all right. What's big, sweetie? My lashes. Yes, come through, lashes. Come through. And that is a finished product. Oh, wait, no, we're not done. We got to do one more thing. We got to set the face. Let's go. And this is a look. Simple and cute. Period. Bye, guys.